So the second line of Quoi Faire. The first bar has all the same variation options as the first bar of the first line, so we won't go over them again. The second bar is this note, which is the same note as in the first line, only an octave higher. It's so flamboyantly high that we swoop into it. And I did make a video on the slide in case you're not familiar with that technique. So the second bar, we might do those last four notes all separate, or we might slur two of them. It just depends on what direction our bow is going and what direction we want to end up going. There is one variation, though, besides the bowing. Those last three notes, we can start the bar with them and repeat them. Okay, so we have either or, and we can slur anything we want to in there. All right, third bar. Now, these are all A's. And what did we have in the first line? A's. So these are just the octave higher. And we can do different rhythms. Or we can do the same rhythm we did for the double A's, which was a kind of a syncopated rhythm where we changed bows in the middle of the second beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can break it down a little bit. And then the last bar is very much like the fourth bar of the first line and has all the same variations. Let's put them together. This is the B section of Quoi Faire. And there you have it, Quoi Faire. If you want to play it a little faster, visit my Increasing Speed playlist, and I'll see you next time.